1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rock, step, tap, step. Sugar push. 1, 2, tap. Basic pass. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Sugar. 1, 2, tap. Lock whip. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Full let go. 1, 2, sugar. 1, 2, tap. Lock for the turn. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, sugar. 1, 2, tap. Lock for the spin. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, tap. Let's do the bump. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and pass. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Sugar. 1, 2, tap. Mirror turn. 1, 2, tap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, tap. Behind her. 1, 2, tap, step. 1, 2, 3. Rotate. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, sugar. 1, 2, tap. Cowgirl. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and tap 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6. 7 and tap 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2. Back then forward. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Back then forward. Inside turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Back then forward. Outside turn. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2. Tap, step.